How to mirror iPhone screen on Mac. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to mirror iPhone screen on Mac. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right here, I will show you how to mirror your iPhone or iPad to TV or Mac. So the first thing you need to do is to connect your iPhone or iPad to the same Wi-Fi network, like on your Apple TV or your Mac. So make sure that your Mac and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. And after that, you can enter your control center on your iPhone. And then from in there, you can see this right here, the screen mirroring thing like this. And in here, you can just put in the AirPlay code that your Mac has given you. So after that, you can just select your TV or Mac from the list, just like what they did in this thing right here. Just like that. You can see in here your Mac. So just click on connect on your Mac and then add in the code. So to stop the mirroring, what you need to do is open Control Center again, tap on Screen Mirroring, and click on Stop Mirroring right here in order to stop mirroring from your iPhone to Mac. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to mirror iPhone screen on Mac. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.